Hey guys. Okay, so this question is another trapezoid. Consider trapezoid FCML with bases FC and LM. So FCCL. Diagonal CL splits FLM such that they're both integers. These are the degrees of this and this. So I'm going to call this theta 1, theta 2. So theta 1 and 2 are both a part of the integers. Um, sorry, I just got a text. If the measure of LCM is 15 degrees larger than FLC and LMC is equal to 4CLM, find the largest and smallest possible values of the measure of CFL. Okay, so CFL. The measure, well, okay, what do we know? This is a transversal, so can we tell anything? This should be equal to this. This should also be theta 2. Do we know anything else? No. Okay. If the measure of LCM is 15 degrees larger than FLC, so we're going to call this theta 3. So theta 3 LCM is equal to FLC theta 1 plus 15 degrees. And the measure of LMC, we're going to call this theta 4, is 4CLM. So, oh, I already see something. So LMC, so theta 4 is equal to 4 theta 1 CLM, no, CLM, so theta 2. Okay, so these are our constraints. I have some concerns that it's not going to be a normal trapezoid, it's going to be like a weird isosceles trapezoid. I think a trapezoid is just a quadrilateral with two parallel sides. So it could really be anything. Like, I don't think this angle has to equal this angle. I think. Okay, so we need to find the largest and smallest possible angles, the measure of CFL. So, theta 5, theta 5. We don't see theta 5 anywhere else, so we just know that theta 5 is equal to 360 minus theta 1 plus theta 2 plus 2 theta 2, or I guess like this, plus theta 3 plus theta 4. Okay. So we need to minimize and maximize this sum. So, Well, we can change this thing into theta 1 plus it's going to be 6 theta 2 because this is 4 theta 2. 6 theta 2, 2 plus 15. So 360 minus this. So it's going to be 345 minus 2 theta 1 plus 6 theta 2. Minimize and maximize this. Okay, what do we know about theta 1 and theta 2? We know that them added together, what do we know? Measure with LCM. Do we know anything else about this triangle? Or this trapezoid? I just realized it's two triangles. Do we know, are the triangles similar? We know that they both share theta 2. Um, so that means that this plus this is equal to this plus this. Are any of these other angles the same? We don't know. Probably not. I can write that down. So theta 4 plus theta 3 is equal to theta 1 plus theta 5. So theta 5 is equal to theta 4 plus theta 3 minus theta 1. Oh, and also theta 1 and theta 2 have to be integers. I forgot about that. So can we, oh, theta 3 is theta 1 plus 15. So theta 5 is equal to theta 4 plus 15. So theta 5 is equal to 4 theta 2. So we have these two equations. CFL is theta 5. Okay, so let's find the minimum and maximum value. So theta 2, is it positive integer or just integer? I guess it's just a positive integer. So theta 2 is equal to 1 is our first one, and theta 2 is equal to... So Wait. Once we determine one angle, we determine theta 2, we can determine theta 4, which determines theta 5. Or theta 3. It also determines theta 2, 2 determines 5, which also determines 1. Huh. So if I choose 2, first thing that we do is we get 5. So if we make this 1, this becomes 4. If we make this 4, then this has to become, let's write this out, theta 1 or theta 2, 2 is equal to 1, theta 1 is equal to, or theta 5 is equal to 4, so theta 1 is equal to 175. Is that okay? I hope so. These are all integers, and we're good so far. So now we have this other one. What else is determined? Theta 4 is 4. Wait, so is theta? It means that theta 5 and theta 4 are the same. Oh, no. No. This should be 19. Which makes this 20. Or 180 minus 20, which is 160. So then it makes theta 4 equal to 4. Which then makes theta 3 equal to 175. So does this fulfill everything we need? Theta 3 is equal to theta 1 plus 15. Yep. Theta 4 is, yep. And theta 4, yep. Okay, cool. So then can we make theta 2 be... What's the largest it could be? Oh, so the smallest value, theta 5 is equal to 19. It's the largest value. Well, it can't be more than 180. So let's try, and it can't be 180. Let's try theta 2? Theta 2 cannot be equal to 179, because theta 4 has to be larger. So, if we make theta 4 the largest, let's say theta 4 is equal to not 180 but 176, that means that theta 2 is equal to 25 plus 15 plus 4, so 30, 44. 44 is theta 2. So theta 2 is equal to 44. Theta 4 is equal to 176. That makes theta 3 is equal to... No, because theta 2 and theta 4 have to be less than 180. So we should make them as close as possible to 180. So theta 2 plus theta 4 should equal, what, 179? Or as close as we can get. Should be less than 180. So if we decrease, oh, so then this is just 5 theta 2. So we're going to say it's equal to 175. 175 is 20 plus 15, which is 35. 35, theta 2 is equal to 35. That makes this 150, 100, wait, what? 120 plus, so 140, 5, no, 140. Which then makes theta 3 equal to 5. Which then makes theta cool. Which then makes theta, what else do we know? Oh, theta 5 is equal to theta 4 plus 15, so 155. 155 plus, oh. So I did it wrong. Our real constraint should be that theta 2 plus 4 theta 2 plus 15 has to be less than 180. So 5 theta 2 has to be less than 165. So theta 2 has to be equal to 160, so 32. That makes this 128 plus 15, which is 138 plus 5, which is 143. 143 plus 19 should be 162. Let me check. That is correct. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.